Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a wash and go using the Keracare line. In my previous video I did a twist out using their products, and which came out really good. So I wanted to see how these two would work on a wash and go, and so did you guys. So I'm like really out of breath. Like, do you guys just take like a really hot shower and then you're like, you come out the shower and you can like barely breathe? Or is that just me? But I don't know why I'm so out of breath. All right, so I'm gonna start by spraying it. All right, now that that section is nice and damp, I'm gonna go in with their moisturizing curling cream. I'm gonna take this much and apply it to that section. Alright, so if you guys can see, my hair is already defined, pretty defined, without even applying the jelly. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and we're going to see what happens. And this is their moisturizing curling jelly. And it comes with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. Take that much and just put it throughout that section.
Say you love me, but you never left for me. Yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see it? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute.
Alright guys, so I'm finished applying all of the product, so we're gonna air dry this thing and see how it turns out. Kind of don't know how it's gonna turn out. Normally I know if it's gonna be good or not, but I don't know. I'm hoping it does because I go on my trip tomorrow and I'm not gonna have time to wash my hair again, so yeah.
Cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you. I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday. Took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday. And on Thursday and Friday.